Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie here. First off, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. Let me back up a minute. All right. Before y'all see what's about to happen, we were all challenged as YouTube barbers to do a left-handed, or if you're left-handed, do a right-hand challenge. If you're right-handed, do a left hand. I'm right-handed. So, shout out to Cuts, Sean Cuts Hair. I had to do a cut with my left hand. It's a little bit more difficult. It's a little bit more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. But I tried it. But all in all, this video pretty much becomes a tutorial of a shadow fade, light fade, or whatever you call it where you're from. Where it's not bald, it's a little bit of hair fade. All right, nice little lineup, little design in the back. Let's see how the left hand challenge ended up. Already, but I'm trying to step it up a little bit, man. You know what I mean?
I found out another way. I ain't even mad.
Hey,
I did the same thing.
huh?
So you know what that means, Ray? That means you need to be still, sit down, get your hair cut.
We're gonna work with him. We're gonna work with him. Man, so I'm talking to whew.
That's actually
My bad, I'm trying to comb it out.
this dude that I used to hoop with, like he.
So not that there's a lot that I need to say right here, but welcome to the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. This is my left hand challenge.
I'm Dr. Brad. Drag right off the route. I change lives every day.
That's my favorite color.
Purple is. But it's this is my Style Craft Rebel. We're gonna see how it works. Press it. You know how to do it? Which way you gotta do it? Oh yeah, we ready to go. We set in motion.
My daddy was ready to give me a haircut.
Was he ready?
He was.
I'm glad y'all came on this rainy day. So of course, when you start in any haircut, any canvas, you want to get the hair length down to the preferred length that they're looking for. I mean, sometimes you might have to go over it again, but I'm gonna tell y'all one thing. Doing this challenge was a challenge to say the least, right? Yeah, I do. I work every day. The hair's beautiful.
So we're gonna go here and we're
I was challenged to do a YouTube video with only cut with my left hand, right? And I was like, I'm gonna see if I can do it on somebody this morning. I don't understand. I'm not left-handed, so this feels weird. I'm gonna switch to the right. It just only makes sense. That was just all off.
It's like it throws your whole balance.
I don't see how they do it.
I'm both.
You both-handed.
That's called ambidextrous.
Yeah,
You are not.
I've seen some videos of people cutting hair and using only their left and they right-handed, but I guess that's what we call a fail. That's what we call a fail. I don't get how y'all right-handed or left-handed folks did a full cut with the opposite hand. Shout out to all of y'all. It was a little tougher than I expected. I was like, yeah, I just grabbed the clipper and
So every day I went to the park and played. And when I turned 12, I wanted to play a little baseball and we wouldn't
For your whole game off.
I was so I'm looking at my clipper like, wait a minute. I know I do this for a living.
And this nice man said, girls don't play. He offered to run me the scorekeeper.
So here I am. We're getting into the tutorial part now. I got my 1.5 guard, just cutting off the bulk at the top. I went on and switched to my right hand, man. It's just I do certain things with my left hand, but doing the majority of the cut with my left hand, I wasn't getting it at all. If you want waves, you gotta get your brush. You gotta get your brush and make sure you're brushing.
You need to have a brush in the truck.
You gotta make sure you're brushing. You gotta wear your do-rag every night. You gotta sleep in it. Make sure you keep your hair laid down.
Don't look at me. Pay attention to your haircut. He's talking to you, not me.
Yeah, your dad's passed. Me and him is past trying to get waves. It's over with. And shout out to the youngin', my little homie. He trying to get some waves in his hair now. So we just had a conversation with him, trying to make sure he know the process of getting waves. Me and his dad, we're both bald. We used to be able to get them. I'm about to do my left hand on this one.
Special offer on Spectrum Internet with advanced Wi-Fi and one line of Spectrum Mobile Unlimited free for 12 months.
So here, I gave it another try on the other side to do it with my left hand, and I was like, you know, let me stand on the opposite side, and it kind of helped and made a difference and felt a little better. I could understand it, but to get comfortable to do a full haircut, I just couldn't do it, and I was blocking the way anyway. So even if I did it, we wouldn't even have been able to see it. But I just couldn't do it. So here we are, just going into the shadow fade. So at the top we doing, oh, that's the 1.5, knocking out that darkness. At the top we did a 1 guard open, just laying his hair down. At the bottom we did a 1 guard close, halfway open, and then we got the 1.5 now taking out that bulk to blend it in to the top of the scalp. So again, no matter what, whether you using your left or your right, you want to always take your time. Make sure you pulling the skin at certain times to make sure that you got a full canvas, that your canvas is flattened enough to get you a good blend in. Right here we got the 1.5 guard, just knocking at that top. We're not going all the way to the top, going across it, but we are just knocking at that darkness around the curve of the head. One and a half guard all the way open, again knocking that bulk down. If you watching this with the 10K subscriber giveaway is this next coming Monday. If you missed it, it's on the 16th. So if you're watching this after the 16th, you missed it. But if you're watching it before the 16th, then make sure you check out the channel. I'll be doing it live on YouTube at 3 p.m. So, you know, make sure you're there if you subscribe to the channel. I don't think I ended up recording the back of his haircut. I'm still trying to get used to this camera. Usually I use my phone, and my phone can record. It just records, but the quality is not as good, or it's not as smooth. So I've been trying to get used to the camera. The camera only records for 30 minutes at a time. I'm just now getting backup batteries for the camera. So we are working on this channel a little bit more. Here we are doing a lineup. I got the Low Pros with the chameleon blade on it. I love this blade. The Low Pros was a good trimmer already, but I do believe this chameleon blade is one of their better blades, along with their gold blade, of course. And the DLC 2 that comes on the Low Pros are good as well. But this chameleon blade, there's something about it. Once you get it set, and it comes pretty set, but I did have to mess with it a little bit. But you see where this where it gets blurry and not blurry. I'm still trying to work out this camera situation, but we getting there. But again, like I was saying, that chameleon blade, man, it's just amazing. If y'all are ordering anything from Babyliss, you can use my discount code Reggie10. And I think if you are looking for a new trimmer, this is definitely one to get. Of course, there's a lot of them out there to choose from, but I do like this with the chameleon blade on it. Just finishing this lineup, getting the lineup done. This is pretty much the full haircut. We do jump back into the back of the head. He wanted a B in the back of his head. Now, don't come for me. Not too much on Reggie. You know what I mean? I'm not the best design artist, but I'm working on it. Again, you know, you do these things to become better at what you do. I never shy away from certain things. So if I'm able to do it, or at least do it a little bit, I'm gonna try it. So we put him a B for his name in the back of his head. We do a little taper to blend out the back, a ball taper to you know, help that stand out a little bit more. But yeah, so that's my left hand challenge, man. Shout out to Sean Cuts Hair again, man. This is the fail on my end, but maybe I'll try it again with another head, maybe. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please be sure to subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff that comes along with being on YouTube. And thank you again for watching.